Congratulations, you have 25 chances to claim free stocks. Hey everyone, this is the Anonymous Investor. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to go over an update to the video I released a couple weeks ago about Webull. So if you didn't watch the last video, I'll link it in the description below, but basically in a short summary, they were offering a promotional bonus where if you transferred up to $25,000 from some different brokerage, I specifically use SoFi, if you transferred your funds over to Webull, you could get up to 25 stocks. It really depended on how much you transferred. The main bonus was like any fees you incurred up to $75 you would get reimbursed. I haven't actually checked whether or not I was actually charged $75 to transfer the funds over. When I click on SoFi, it doesn't look like I was, but I still need to submit that in case I was, so I should probably check that over the weekend. But the main thing I wanted to go over was the stocks. So whether or not I got the free stocks, so let me log into Webull. Alright, here we go. As you can see, I currently have $25,000 in Webull, and then 673 because just some other stocks I've gotten free in Webull. So here's the thing. Let me provide some background, some backstory to what happened, and then we'll go over the stocks. Well, let me just show you. If I go to menu and I go to my free stocks, that's where you can find the free stocks. And loading. Congratulations, you have 25 chances to claim free stocks. I did officially get all of my free stocks from Webull. But let's begin. Oh, and by the way, I have 28 other free stocks from Webull from other promos I've done. So even though I don't actually use Webull to trade stocks and buy stocks, I do like it because of their promos are pretty darn good. So let's provide some backstory. This was the promo. Transfer your account to Webull. Duration March 2nd to March 29. If I scroll down, there it is. So get your transfer fee reimbursed, level 2 advanced subscriptions, and even free stocks. So tier A from 800 to 199, you would get the transfer fee reimbursed. Tier B, you would qualify if you transfer anywhere from 2,000 to 9,999, you would get 5 free stocks. Anywhere from 10,000 to 24,999, you would get 10 free stocks. And if you were in tier D, if you transferred over $25,000, you would get 25 free stocks, each valued anywhere from $9 to $1,600. Ooh, I hope I get that sweet $1,600. But here's the thing, even if I get something valued at $9, 9 times 25, that is $225, which is an amazing value for transferring $25,000 if you have that kind of funds, especially just to leave it in the account for up to a month, or it was like 3 weeks. So the important notes there was that if you were tier B to D, you would be able to claim the bonus on 420. So if you withdraw or transfer out any funds that were initiated between the 29th and the 20th, you would be canceled. Your bonus would be canceled. You have to be really careful to transfer the funds and leave it alone. Do not touch it. So I made sure to transfer over $25,000. I think I transferred $25,100 just in case I got the $75 taken out from the Webull transfer or something. And I was afraid that if I transferred only $25,000 and then either SoFi or Webull took away my $75, that I would fall into the tier C category. I think that would be really lame. So just to be safe, I transferred $25,100. But here's the thing. On 420, there was nothing on my account. There was nothing. On 421, there was nothing on my account. I gave it a few extra days because, you know, I know some of these things take a while. There was nothing on my account. So what I decided to do was that I decided to message Webull and be like, yo, where's my stocks? And so let me just give a huge shout out to Webull. Their customer service is amazing. They replied really fast. First there was a bot, but after that it was automatic, and the very next day I got my free stocks. So this is the message I sent. I said, hello, I received this promo last month where we would be able to receive up to 25 free shares if we transferred from another brokerage account into Webull. I transferred $25,000 and did not withdraw any funds. I haven't received any notice to claim my free shares. This was my first time transferring. I transferred over $25,000. I kept all the funds in the account until 420. Is there anything else I need to do? They responded, hi there, thank you for reaching out. This is Webull. Our customer service teams are busy helping others currently. Please see if the below links help answer your question. If not, please reply to this email and we will be happy to help. So it is always important to read everything thoroughly, especially when it's something dealing with money. So specifically, if not, please reply to this email. So I quickly read through everything. How to withdraw, I don't care about that. How to link my bank account, I do not care about that. So I simply responded, hello, my question wasn't answered by Webull. That's literally all I responded. As you can see, the date is Thursday, April 22nd. Oh, you know what? I guess I didn't wait as long as I thought I did. I guess when I didn't see the stocks on 420, the very next day I actually sent them an email because the Webull responded like a couple of minutes after I emailed them. So I actually emailed them on the very next day on 4/21. Anyhow, the very next message they sent me was, "Hi Eric, we have applied for 25 shares for transfer manually. So there will be a delay. There will be 2 to 3 business days delay to claim your bonus. So if for some reason you transferred your $25,000 or your $9,999 or any amount over that you are officially in tier B, tier C, or tier D, and you haven't gotten your rewards, if you didn't get your free stock, send them a message. I will post an email in the description below of what email I contacted them, and most likely a bot will respond first. Just say, sorry, this doesn't answer my question, and then you'll get someone to actually respond to you, and most likely they can initiate a transfer manual the way they did on my account, and then you will get your 5 free stocks, your 10 free stocks, or 25 free stocks. But anyhow, without further ado, it is time to open up the free stocks and let's see what they are. So if you click on that, by the way, that is where you find it. If you click on my free stock, if we click on there and then you click on get, let's see. Okay, the very first thing I get, estimated value Zynga at 1067, already more than $9. Let's click continue. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of Zyngas. There is another Zynga. By the way, take notice of the expected delivery date. So it is May 13th. So even though I'm claiming them right now, it's going to take a while till they're actually on my accounts. So that is something I have noticed with Webull in the past, where it takes a while. And notice that my free stocks in the bottom, it's currently jumping up. So I'm going to be over 50 by the end of this video. So I got AR. I have no idea what that company is, but that one is a $9 stock. So I feel like I'm going to get a lot of AR and a lot of Zynga. So AR again. I got another Zynga at 1067. I got Eric. Hey, that's my name. I got an Eric at 1416. Okay. I got AR. I got AR again, $9 stock. I got GE 1355, and they pay a dividend. General Electric. I think it's 1 cent for every stock. I got another Zynga. So far GE is the most. Oh wow, I got a $41 stock. Wow. VIAC. Oh my goodness, that is huge. $41. I was not expecting, honestly, I was not expecting anything over like 10. I got another AR. I got another AR. I got another AR. By the way, a lot of these stocks, I feel like they were maybe like sub $5. And then just with all the hype going on, especially a lot of the pharmaceuticals and electric stocks, they've been increasing over time, especially in this time right now. I got another AR. There's a lot of AR. Got another AR. Got another AR. Got another Zynga, 1067. Got another AR. We're down to our 5. Where's our $1,600 stock? Got another AR. Got another AR. Got another Zynga. And here is our final one, another AR. So I now have a total of 53 free stocks from Webull, which is looking at different promos. So yeah, let's see. I should have done the math of what is the total amount value-wise. But a good amount of Zyngas. But that big one is this one right here. Is that Viacom? VIAC. So by the way, once you get your free stocks, you can always search on Webull what they are. So let's see, where is the searching feature again? I don't really use Webull. Is it Markets, Explore, VIAC? Let's go VIAC. Yeah, click on there. It is, yeah, Viacom, CBS Inc. Didn't something recently happen where they were like $90 or something crazy? Oh wow. They are incredibly bullish. There's a lot more selling going on. Do I have level 2? You need a subscription. Oh, I thought it would be free since I did the thing. Let's see the news. Oh man. Comments. Oh no. 73% bullish, 27% bearish. But there's a lot of selling pressure. Or maybe, I think this happens anyway when the market is closed. Alright guys, so I think we can end there. So again, I just wanted to go over the 25 free stocks. Webull did deliver, so shout out to them. And again, if you are having trouble, if you haven't gotten your stocks, just contact Webull and I'm pretty sure you will easily be able to get your stocks in a matter of a day or two and you'll be good to go. So I hope this video was helpful. If anyone else out there got free stocks from Webull, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious, what did you get from your 25 free stocks? Considering that this money is just there, I could have had it in a savings account and I would have never gotten anywhere near the amount I got just for holding it for a month. I would have gotten like 0.05%. That's like 2 pennies at the end of a, or 0.01%, 2 pennies at the end of a year. And I got like over 200 with just a month of waiting. So this is awesome. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, I am the Anonymous Investor. I'm just a random guy on YouTube making videos. So don't take anything that I'm recording as financial advice. And most importantly, never stop learning.